All right, we're up here at the second tallest peak in the trail system. It's CW Knob. It's about 60 feet shorter than Izzy Knob, where we just came from, but it's got a nice, spicy, rowdy little downhill from here, so I'll take you along for the ride. I would say it's all downhill, but it's not. Most of it is. So here we go. Little flat section here lets you get your composure because it's about to get crazy. Woo-hoo! Much fun. Now I gotta pay for that for a short little climb. And it's rest time.